Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to debone chicken thighs. First, you're going to peel the skin back, find which side it's connected to, and cut the skin off. Flip it over, cut the remaining skin off, and any of the fat that you wish to trim as well. Now on the working side, you see this line of fat that lines up with the chicken thigh bone. You're going to want to cut along that line of fat to release the bone from the meat. Roll it and then stand it up on end, cutting down towards the cutting board. The real key here is to use a sharp knife. Cut the cartilage off and any attached sinew. And that's pretty much a done piece of chicken thigh that has been deboned. Again, look for that line of fat, cut alongside it. Now, chicken thighs are a great option for staying on a budget. 99 cents a pound sure beats chicken breasts, which are going in my area for $2.99 to $3.99 a pound. So you can certainly use this for a budget-friendly option. And if you want to make it even more budget-friendly, save the chicken thigh bones and make chicken stock out of it. Subscribe and I'll show you how in a future upcoming video. Again, you're going to trim off any of the parts that you don't want, like any cartilage or any fat. And you've pretty well completed deboning a chicken thigh. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you like this video, check out the videos below about trimming chicken breasts.